What's up, ladies and gents? This is one channel with FL Studio 20 right now, but my FL Studio 12 and 11 users can also tune in and learn a thing or two or three or four. Today we're going to talk about the Fruity EQ2, and this is like directly after my how to import an MP3 video. Like, this is like the same. It's basically what I did in the video. But anyway, so we got it in first thing you want to do is flex on the beat. Make sure whatever you have, which is this golden platy thing right here, it's in channel 1. Okay, I mean, it's pretty obvious because it's the only thing playing right now. All you're gonna do is Fruity Parametric EQ2. So I think the best technique is to probably like remove where it's not at, so you can get a cleaner sound when you use instruments over here. That's pretty much EQing in a nutshell. Is removing parts that aren't really being used. If you want to like up some parts. Can't separate me from the rest. I'm the best. Can't see, now it just sounds like crap. The rest you already know. So you kind of want to be like careful with this stuff. If you're gonna do all that, you kind of want to lower the volume. You don't want you don't want anything like peaking like over this. Like I said, it makes it. How in the world happened at the end there? That's weird. Let's get a new instrument. Oh, that's right. Yeah. So this whole thing is like basically a high, but this is actually like a fully completed track, so it's kind of a bad example. But you still watch this video anyways, so haha. That's how you EQ2, guys. You just remove parts that aren't being used. Peace out.